if I go to my diurnal column in database 22 and I right click on it and I go show profile, it shows me my data, and there's quite a few spikes in the data that we forgot to remove. You can see if I go to the top left here and I click on this L0 and I go right click list, it tells me all the lines in this database. And if I click on L1, there's not many spikes, but if I go back to list and I click on 0, I can see these spikes. So how do I remove them? I right click, I go zoom, and I draw a little box around where I want to zoom to, and it doesn't zoom in straight away. I have to click a second time to zoom in. Here's my spark, so I'm going to click on it. It shows me where I am in the data, and you can see this diurnal, there is a problem. The reading data is 0, and therefore I've got a minus 27,000 over here. So if I go right click and go delete, you can see it immediately jumps up. And so I right click here and I go rescale, and I can zoom into other areas. Like over here, click again and go delete and rescale. Quite a few more here. So you can definitely set up some sort of filter to get rid of these, but it actually is, when you're getting used to your data, really good to just go through it yourself and just see what the problems were or where the errors were. And so you can see all these minus 27,000s in the diurnal column. And so quite easy to just remove yourself. Rescale all. We've just got these last two. Let's zoom. And I'm not sure what would have caused them, but at least it's easily solvable. We're actually just collecting so much data with this walk mag that it really isn't serious to just remove this. This is a bit unusual that there were here just so many of them. So I'm going to just delete all of those. Delete. And this last one. I think to select all of those ones, I held down Shift on the keyboard. Okay, and that looks better. And I'm going to click Save. So obviously keep your original data, but you're going to go through all your data and just double check if there's any sparks. And that there. So this video doesn't get too long. I can never find my zoom again.